In our Indian system, we have a great regard for our teachers. And there is a very famous shalok like this. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasme Shri Guruve Namah.
So many times people have asked me in the past 2 years, why am I so set in naming eGURUKUL? The core values in me always dictate to me clearly that if you want to actually teach a student, he or she needs to be away from all the distractions. The concept of eGURUKUL has a rich legacy.
This system of education is based on time-tested values and principles. It believes in developing an innate sense of concentration and involvement while enhancing a student's knowledge and development of the brain.
On the occasion of 71st Republic Day, we are coming with the updated version of eGURUKUL app.
We have developed this version after enough research on the content and by putting years of our experience and bringing to you a question bank of more than 35,000 questions with latest pattern and more than 150 tests available to you.
Our detailed lectures of more than 800 hours will help you understand every single concept in the most lucid manner possible.
In our in-app doubt solving, all your queries will be directly come to us and we will help you out with all subject queries and not only the particular question, with everything else you ask for.
And you will be easily able to know what your gurus are up to or about any other important update regarding your preparation in seconds with your own medical Facebook.
We have also created the notes of every subject in such a way that it will strengthen your grip and it will help you to understand every subject more clearly. Okay.
And one of my favorite feature of the app is that if you're an eGURUKUL user, you will get to attend 3 live lectures of your choice anywhere in the country, subject to the availability. But I think that's a great feature to have, that you can have 3 live lecture one-on-one interaction with the gurus of your choice.
So now you experience the feeling when 24 years of legacy meets technology. Dear friends, your success is our motto.
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 Success is our motto.
Your success is our motto.